Hello guys! So lahat ba kayo nakapanood na nung nag-viral na batang Canadian na gustong maging Pilipino? Kanina chinek ko yung, napanood ko siya at na-check ko yung profile. Nasa 13 million, 13 point something million views na yung video. Grabe, ilang nag-trending siya. So kanina lang siya duman sa FYP ko. Tsaka nakaka-touch talaga yung bata. Tapos, alam mo yun, may mga ganun talagang ibang lahi na pag na-adapt nila yung ugali ng mga Pilipino na gusto rin nilang maging katulad or pag nakarating sila sa Pilipinas, parang gustong-gusto na nila balikan yung Pilipinas. So, 'di ba, nakaka-proud maging Pinoy. So, panoorin natin. Ito siya, yung batang Canadian, full-blooded Canadian siya. Pero gusto niya maging Pilipino. Ang cute. Umiiyak talaga siya, upset na upset.
Why are you so upset?
Because I thought I was.
You thought you were what?
That language.
So what did you tell your friends?
I'm Filipino because I thought I was.
Oh, okay.
That's mostly everybody in my classes.
Kaya pala.
So I thought I was too.
Okay. Maybe everybody's different
Grabe.
though, right? Everybody's
Cute
different,
niya.
and we're just a little different. We're
Totoo
not
naman.
Filipino.
But
What did your friends say to you when you said that?
they're all Filipino.
So?
I wanted to.
Oh.
You know what? Maybe because they're all Filipino, they can teach you
Mm.
about their culture
Oo nga.
and what it means to be
Ayun.
Filipino.
Gusto niya talaga maging Pilipino.
I want to be.
I know you want to be, but we're not.
Grabe.
And everybody's
So
different.
I know to Filipino.
What, Eddie?
Oo.
Filipino is
Cute.
green.
Cutie daw.
Filipino.
Grabe no.
Okay.
Cute.